Samsung aims to create the most powerful phone on the market in 2025 with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. They are also developing one of the most advanced camera systems for this phone. Recent reliable leaks reveal that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature two significant camera upgrades that have been anticipated for a while. Additionally, Samsung is planning an upgrade for the device's core features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will still have 4 cameras on the back. The main sensor will have a 200-megapixel resolution, similar to the S24 Ultra, but optimized for the S25 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 hardware. There will be a 50-megapixel 5x zoom lens, a new 50-megapixel 3x optical zoom sensor, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. According to Ice Universe, Samsung is significantly upgrading the 3x zoom and ultra-wide-angle sensors, marking the biggest improvements seen on a Galaxy flagship phone. But it's not just the cameras getting a boost. Samsung is also reintroducing a powerful feature from the past for professional users and gamers. More details on this will follow. The powerful upgrade Samsung is bringing back, last seen in the Galaxy S21 Ultra, is a 16GB RAM variant. This isn't just any RAM, it's the industry's first LPDDR5XD RAM, offering the fastest performance at up to 10.7 GB per second. This RAM, combined with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra the most powerful phone on the market. Another reliable report indicates that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will have one of the most powerful GPUs ever seen in a smartphone. The prototype GPU can run Genshin Impact, a highly demanding game, at 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second effortlessly. Currently, this game is capped at 720p on most phones, and many still struggle to reach 60 FPS. This represents a significant upgrade. All this power could mean a higher price for the Galaxy S25 series. Rumors suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is significantly more expensive than the 8 Gen 3, which might force Samsung to raise prices. Samsung has two options: increase prices for the entire series, or, more likely, use the Exynos 2500 chip for the S25 and S25 Plus, while reserving the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 exclusively for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As mentioned earlier, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is a completely new and powerful chip, built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores, which are also used in their laptops. This means the Galaxy S25 Ultra could have performance similar to some of Apple's M-series laptops, which is amazing for a phone. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Along with this incredible performance upgrade, we're also getting the fastest 16GB RAM available. Now with 2 main cameras, things are getting interesting. Share your thoughts on this in the comment section below.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled.